Is there anything in cybersecurity that is universally known to be a weak link, like passwords, yet we still rely on it as a front line of defense? Passwords have never actually, at any moment, actually been secure. I mean, if there was one action we could all take that could greatly improve each individual's security and in turn our company's security, well, it would probably be multi-factor authentication. So why hasn't MFA become the norm? Well, in some industries it has, like banking, but not all MFAs are equal in terms of security, simplicity to deploy, and usability. This Friday, we're doubling up on user identification requests for the next CISO series video chat. I'm David Spark, the producer of the CISO series and host of our weekly video chats. I say that all the time. This Friday, we're going to be hacking multi-factor authentication. Or rather, we'll spend an hour thinking critically about the best technologies, implementations, and adoptions of MFA. We'll talk about the technologies, difficulties of deployment, and when MFA does and doesn't work in the business cycle. It's all going to happen on Friday, November 13th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. The link to register is available wherever you see this video posted, or just go to CISOseries.com and click the Register for Video Chats button. Joining me to lead this discussion will be CISO Taylor Lehmann, board member for H-ISAC, and Bojan Simic, CTO and co-founder of HYPR. Huge thanks to our sponsor, HYPR, the passwordless company. We'll discuss the entire spectrum of MFA solutions and compare them on factors of effectiveness, ease of use, and deployment. And we want to spend a significant part of our discussion on deployment. What holds up MFA adoption? Why does it become such a big decision where passwords are always kind of the de facto decision? At the end of the hour, we'll do our meetup, which is the most fun part. It's kind of like cybersecurity speed dating. Everyone gets matched up for a series of quick one-on-one meetings. Nothing to plan, just show up and we'll do the matching. So let's make this all happen on Friday, November 13th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern.